Tugo mag golf maja Kenya manigi ng'ol mar winjo Isaac tiyo maber e boma ma Tokyo, Japan. Jatugo no manoyudo bronze e tuke mokalo manotimore Brazil ne geto yudo goldi bang' kanoloye marach e tuke mokalo. Kenya gi kinde no geto yudo midila mamoko e tuke go mag makiny e seche ma jong'wech mathoth mago mag piny Kenya dhi piem e final mag ng'we mopogore opogore. Lucas Wandia dhi manyo midila mare mar adek mar goldi e piem mar mita 3000 mano mar steeplechase. Ka piem machielo mano makiny jo Kenya no bedie en mano mar ng'we kede.
But you see, I'm very discouraged. I was hoping this one I was hoping for gold. I was very ready, but now you see, things twisted.
The team has done, I would say, as good as the best they could have done under the circumstances. We had a very difficult start when we came to Tokyo, and that basically proceeded on to the end of the tournament. Isaac, who was a flag bearer, we were anticipating he would be able to take a medal home, but unfortunately this time around he's not been able to. He's finished 14th. And the other two gentlemen have finished much lower on the rankings.